To use the AutoTrade feature, you need to connect to a broker. Register with a broker through our app or connect an existing account. Please note, we will be using a demo account. We recommend testing new features on a demo account. Next, you need to configure the filters. Set the expiration time to 1 minute. Select the strongest signals based on the power parameter. Enable the trending and reversal algorithms. Enter a name for the filter and click Create. Go to the AutoTrade settings. Select a preset and choose your broker. Set the trade amount to 1,000. Enable the Martingale strategy with a coefficient of 2. Then launch AutoTrade. Here is an example of today's trades. Today, we didn't even need the Martingale strategy. This is our trade history. AutoTrade starts to execute trades automatically. Let's wait for the results. Here is an example of how AutoTrade works. It managed to open 2 trades before we stopped it. Subscribe to our channel and ask your questions in the comments. In the next video, we will explain the Martingale strategy.